How to make seamless carousel post on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to make seamless carousel post on Instagram. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Canva. In the create section, just simply scroll down and click on this custom size option. And over here under the height section, just simply enter 1080. And in the width section, you need to enter the number of posts that you would want to add into your carousel post. So in my case, I want to add 7 photos or post in one post. So you have to mention number of posts into 1080. So in my case, it would be 7560. And after that, just simply click on create new design. And once that's done, you will be able to see this particular post right here. And after that, just simply click on this three dot icon from the top menu. And over here, just go to the settings and click on add guides and click on custom. In the column section, add the number of posts. For example, I'm adding 7. In the gap, keep it 0 and margin also 0 and click on done. So your post is ready. Now you have to upload the images that you would want to edit. So just simply upload the pictures over here. Now just simply bring all your photos and try to adjust your photos as per the size of the post. Just keep on adding more pictures of yours, or you can add as many pictures as you like. So I'm adding these pictures and setting all the pictures over here. All you have to do now, you have to start editing these pictures. So first of all, I'm going to start with the first picture. So just go to the element section and search for ribbed paper. Now select any ribbed paper from here. So for example, I'm selecting this ribbed paper right here and just add it in the middle of the post and duplicate it and add it alongside all the pictures over here, which will make the post look more aesthetic. And once this is done, now just simply go to the element section again and search for heart and select any heart from here and just add it in your picture. You can also go ahead and change the color of this. Likewise, go ahead and edit all the pictures. You can also go ahead and search for frames, aesthetic frames, and now add any frame of your liking. For example, I'm adding this one. Now in this frame, you can add more pictures. Now just go ahead and add more stickers, some videos, GIF, anything that you like. And after that, once you're done editing the post, just simply click on this download section from here and just save the image in your device. Yeah, this is done. Now just go to the split image website. Go to this particular website, find tool. And after that, just upload your image over here. I'm going to upload the carousel that I just made. And over here, just select horizontally. And now you have to select the blocks. Number of blocks means number of posts that you are making. And now just simply click on split image. And now your image has been splitted. Now just go ahead and download each image individually and save them. You can see all the images in your file or your gallery. Now just simply go ahead and upload these images on your Instagram and enjoy. So this is basically how you will be able to make carousel post on your Instagram quite easily. I hope you find this video to be helpful.